So we are at the Valco Melton stall in Pamex, and we have Mr. Prashant Gaikwad, Manager Sales and Service for Valco Melton India. So we'll ask some questions to sir. Sir, what are you focusing in the show, sir?
We are focusing folding carton, corrugation and label industry, especially coating for label industry.
And what are the machines you are displaying?
We have displayed some melters, some applicators and pumping stations and camera inspection system.
So what do you offer for flexible packaging and label segment? What are your offers?
We offer in labels mainly hot melt coating with melters and applicator and the complete solution for the end-to-end solution for the customer.
For flexible packaging?
For flexible packaging, no.
No specific.
No specific. Yeah.
So
Flexible packaging, we can say like e-commerce, we are giving the courier bag application.
Okay. So main focus is which segment? Which is the
main focus is
segment?
in coating segment for label industry.
For label industry.
Yes.
So how's the show for you, sir?
Show is good. We have good footfall at the show. We have new inquiries as well as our existing customers also visited us. Response is good.
You have closed any deal?
Yeah, we are going to close one deal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Congratulations for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
So I'll ask you some more question about specific segments, like you said labels for you, you offer melters for label segment.
Yeah.
Can you briefly explain like what else you offer besides that?
The melters you can say with the grammage control, and for label industry we have special applicator is with rotating bar system which give you the stick free coating and clear to clear labels finishing. That is our USP in Indian market.
So why converters should take Valco Melton? Why converters should prefer Valco Melton product? Can you tell us your specialty?
Our specialty is we are actually looking in the from the point of view of customer, what they need, what they are going to do in future, and we supply them solution for the future benefit also, not for current requirement. We think about the future requirement also. According to that, we give the best solution to the customer with best pricing.
Anything new coming up in the company? Any new product launch? Something new?
Yeah, we are coming with the smart technology, which can work with the smartly with the grammage sensors. Then it can work with the pressure regulation system. So it can handle without operator intervention. It can set machine automatically.
So when is this product be launching?
We already started at one customer, that is the automatic grammage control with the sensing grammage sensor, and we are going to expand it in coming days.
Would like to say something more to the customers, to the viewers? Like to add something, like to say something more? Thank you for your time.
Thank you.